Echinacea Purpurea aerial parts extract 65 mg capsule is commonly used for virus infections like the cold and flu, as well as for strengthening the immune system. It can also be used in combination with antifungal products to treat vaginal fungal infections. It is important to note that some herbal/diet supplement products may contain harmful impurities or additives, so it's always a good idea to check with your pharmacist about the specific brand you are using. Additionally, the FDA has not reviewed this product for safety or effectiveness, so it's best to consult with your healthcare provider for more information. As for the daily dosage, it's recommended to follow the instructions on the product label or as directed by your doctor. It's best to take this capsule at the same time every day to maintain a consistent level of the supplement in your body. When taking Echinacea Purpurea aerial parts extract 65 mg capsule, it is important to follow the directions on the product package. It is generally recommended to use this product for no longer than 8 weeks at a time, as prolonged use may lessen its effects. If you have any concerns about your condition or if it worsens, it is important to seek medical help right away. It's always best to consult with your doctor or pharmacist if you have any questions about taking this product. As always, it is important to use this product as directed for optimal benefits. Some possible side effects of Echinacea Purpurea aerial parts extract 65 mg capsule may include nausea, numbness/tingling of the lips/tongue, and an unpleasant taste in the mouth. It's important to let your doctor know if these effects persist or worsen. A severe allergic reaction to this product is rare, but if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help immediately. This is not a complete list of potential side effects, so if you notice any other effects, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. For medical advice about side effects in the US, you can call your doctor or report them to the FDA. In Canada, you can call your doctor or report side effects to Health Canada. Before taking Echinacea, make sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies or any existing health problems such as asthma, cancer, immune system disorders, HIV, tuberculosis, or if you have had an organ transplant. Also, be cautious if you have diabetes, alcohol dependence, or liver disease, as the liquid forms of this product may contain sugar and/or alcohol. It's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist about using this product safely. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor before using this product. And if you are using marijuana, cannabis, be aware that it can make you more dizzy or drowsy, so be cautious when driving or using machinery. It's important to be aware of any potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's also advisable to avoid consuming large amounts of caffeine while taking this product, as it may increase the effect of caffeine. This includes beverages like coffee, tea, certain sodas, and chocolate. Always consult with your doctor before making any changes to your medication dosage. If someone takes too much of this medication and experiences severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical assistance by calling 911 or a poison control center. In the U.S., residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Make sure to take this medication as prescribed by your healthcare provider. Do not increase your dose or take it more often than directed. Follow the instructions provided on the label or by your doctor. If you have any questions about the use of this medication, consult your doctor or pharmacist. If you happen to miss a dose of this medication, simply take it as soon as you remember. However, if it's close to the time of your next scheduled dose, it's best to just skip the missed dose and take your next one as usual. It's important not to take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Make sure to check the storage information on the package, and if you have any questions, it's best to ask your pharmacist. Keep all medications and herbal products out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless directed. When the product is expired or no longer needed, be sure to dispose of it properly. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.